So till yesterday we have seen some of the string methods. Still we need to see few more methods. Yeah, there are many. Still many methods are there. Let's go and dig into more string methods. Next very important method is split method. Split. So you have to give the delimiter. So which delimiter you want to use to split the string. So it splits the string and returns string array. So this is a return type. String array returns always for so if you use a split method. So the delimiter can be anything. So spaces. So basically, if the string is a very big one, right? The words in between you have some delimiters like spaces, question mark, comma, colon, single quotes, or semicolon, any of these, all delimiters. So any of these delimiters are there in between the string word and it will split. So wherever this one is there, this before whatever the word is there, that word will go and store in a string array as a one element. So that is the split method, what you need to pass as an argument. So spaces even in the regular expression we can use as a backward slash yes. So that means it represents the white space. So spaces also you can represent in the regular expressions double backward slash small s. There are different are there, but you can pass this also here in the split method. So I need a string. If I want to split, I need a string. Let me take one example here, and then we can go here. So Google. So just search here something about Selenium keyword, and you will get here some string, this one. So this is the string, and this is the dynamic. This number is a dynamic, and the seconds also a dynamic. So it will change, but remaining words are constant, but still this is the dynamic. So for example, I want only this number and also this seconds, number of seconds I want to fetch from this entire string. How can you fetch them? So whatever you want. First of all, you need to get them. So from this string, how can you get that? So that is what this string str equal to. So that's the string we got. Now, if you observe that there are many words here, right? There are many words. So each word between what is there? What is the common thing here? What is the common thing, in between the words? What is the common thing in between the words?
Space, Ramesh.
Space. Yeah, that's a space. Space is common here. See, about one word, then space is there. Then this number, space is there. Then this word, space is there. Then this word, space is there. So like that, each word in between a space is the common delimiter. So based on that, we can split it. So that's what you need to do. So let's split now. Okay, let's split. So this will return string array. So no, array equal to str dot split, str dot split. Even you can give regular expression also. Okay, I'll give just a white space. Okay, that's the space in a string format I am supplying. Now I got all the words. What will happen here? So let me explain that clearly. So now your string array will become like this. So it will be like this in your array. First, wherever space is there, before that word will split and it will go and store there. Next, space is here. So this word will split and stores in the second position of the array. Next, so space is here. So this word will split and stores here. And then this will split, stores here. Then this will split, stores here. So this is your array. Okay. So this is your array. It will be like this. So your array, this will become like this. I have written in, no, I am showing what will there in this ARR variable, and this is the values it will be there after this line. Once you apply split method on the str, your array will become like this. So before it was all one string, right? Now, after applying split method, it will split the words based on this delimiter. And array will be, so 0th element about is there, 1. So the indexes. So this is the 0 index. So this is the 1 index. And this is the second index, third, fourth. Okay. So your array will be like this. Now you can get any element, right? For example, I want this. How can you fetch it? How can you fetch that value? How can you fetch this value? All are silent.
That is Ramesh. Already it will be there in array, right? Yeah, just giving the index like the array of 0, array of 1, like we can get a lot of
What is the number value?
1, 1, 1.
1 I need to pass. That's it. That's it. So your value will be printed this value. So execute this now. See that? So you got only this value. That's how you can extract a sentence, any word you want. First split that based on some delimiter. Then you can extract from array. Easily you can access, right? Array elements. That's easy. So this is how you can access array elements. Okay. Next. So next method is, see, I want to remove these things, and I want to just put a empty. So I don't want these commas. You need to remove from this string. How can you remove this? So commas from there. So there is a method,
Replace.
replace all. Replace all.
All.
Because more than one is there, you have to use replace all. Otherwise, you can use a replace one if you want one occurrence. So replaces the old string with a new one. So you have to give two parameters. Old string, comma, new string. Okay. So then this also returns. What is the return type? Return string only. The return type is all these methods will return. No void methods in the string class. You won't find any void method. Every method is a return type method. Now, string so S5 equal to S4 dot replace all. So replace all. I want to replace comma with which one? Empty. I don't want to give anything, just empty. I'm not giving anything, just empty. So print it. S5 value after replacing all the commas. So then S5. Okay, see that's easy, you can rerun that. So before it was no, see S4 is with commas. See now you got without anything S5 value. So this is how you can use a replace. One more replace method. So next one is replace method. Old string, comma, new string. Replaces the old string or character with new string or character and returns a string. So return type of this method also a string. String S6 equal to Suppose I want to replace Java Selenium. Java I want to replace with Ruby. So what can I do? S1 dot replace. There is a replace method. See, a string also there. So character also there. So I want to replace Java with Ruby. Now see, S1 value, S1 Java is replaced. I'll just write Java is replaced with Ruby in S1 using replace method. So you will get a S6, right? S6 value. So run it again. So this is the easy, you can run from here if it is very big. See, Ruby Selenium. So Java Selenium is replaced with Ruby Selenium. Just Ruby. Java I replaced with Ruby. Portion I replaced. That's a replace all and replace method. And next one is substring method. So another important one, substring method. So what is a substring? What is a substring? So substring means a portion of string. A portion of string is called substring. A portion of string is called substring. And that portion of string you can get from the main string. There are two overloaded methods here. Two overloaded methods. So one is with substring with index. So what it does is it fetches from this start index to till end index. It fetches the substring from start index to till end of till end, all the characters. All the characters. So return type is new string only. So there is a one more substring. So these are overloaded methods. You can give an example for overloaded. Start index, comma, int, end index. So this substring method fetches in between them substring. In between start and end index, in between start index is includes the character, end index excludes the character. End index if you give, there it won't fetch the character. Before that only it will fetch the character. So based on your requirement, you have to give always +1. So for example, you want E. So E plus 1 index you have to give as a end index. Because if you give this S index, it won't fetch S. S before 1 only it will fetch. That's the end index is excludes. While fetching, end index place whatever the character is there, that character will be excluded. And start index always includes. Always includes. So that's the substring. So overloaded methods. See, same method name, but with two different arguments. So what kind of overloading this one? What kind of overloading is this? Hmm? How many ways you can achieve the method overloading?
By changing the data types, by changing the number of parameters,
Now here, which one?
we are increasing we are increase the parameters.
Yeah, so that's the portion here. So you are using by increasing the number of parameters. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So that is the example of this. Okay. So let's go and see. Are you clear on the start index and end index?
Yeah, yes, Ramesh.
Which is the substring.
Start index is same, only end index you need to give +1 to fetch that particular character.
Yeah. So end index place whatever character is that won't taken into consideration. That will not come into a substring portion when while fetching by this substring method. Fetches the substring in between start and end index. So start index character is includes and end index character is omitted. Okay. Excluded, otherwise excluded also excluded. So in index, whatever the character is there, it won't fetch. That we're clear, right, on this. Let's go and do the string S7 equal to S1 dot substring int begin index. See this one. Substring int begin index, int end index. So I want to fetch in the S1. S1 means what? Java Selenium, right? S1 means Java Selenium. So this S1 value, I want to fetch only Selenium or only Java or only Selenium. Let's fetch only Selenium, okay? Fetching only Selenium from the Java Selenium. Java Selenium. So now you need to give index, right? So where it is starting Selenium starting portion? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to give which one? 4 index. Index 4. That's enough. Now you'll get entire till end. How many characters are there? Okay. So S7 value. So let's see. See, only Selenium you got it. So that's all the methods what they are doing. So it is fetching, always it is fetching the data for you. It is fetching the data for us. That's the substring method. And next one is next string s8 equal to s1 dot substring. I want to fetch only Java. How can you fetch? In this, only Java I need to fetch. Can you tell me so which method I need to use?
Substring of start index you can give.
What is the start index value?
Uh,
0.
Not 0.
Java is okay. Oh, sorry. Selenium starting after Java 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, S value is 4.
No, I want to fetch a Java from this.
No, fetch Selenium from Java, right, Ramesh?
No, I am fetching here. So this 114 line.
Okay. Java means 0 only, first character.
0 to 4. 0, comma 4.
Fetch Java
Hmm.
from
0, 4.
Java Selenium. Okay,
Hmm.
so that's
Yeah.
the scenario we are doing here. Now tell me what is the index we need to
0,
use? 0,
4.
4. That's it. Why for Selenium? Yes, you are giving. So fourth
Yes.
index it won't fetch, right? Yes, before it will fetch.
Mm.
It will exclude.
It
Okay,
will.
good. That's it. So these are the some of the concepts we need to remember. Other than that, nothing. So fetch Java from S1 using substring method. S8 values S8. Okay. Now to execute this. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so the next method is get bytes. It fetches the byte number for the character of the string. String characters. So the return type is, what is the return type? Byte array. Byte array it returns. So byte array, so BTR equal to s dot get bytes. So now this is the array, right? Array you can iterate. So you know already how to iterate. Let's use, which one you want me to use? For each or for which one you want me to use?
For each.
For each. So for each, can you tell me the formula?
Byte, any element or variable name, BT colon BT
BT.
array.
So that's it.
Just print BT.
Just BT. So one after the other it will print. So I want to give some space. And also I want the, okay. So on this, yes, right? I want the character, which character byte is this one? So I want no character also. How can I get the character from this string?
Like substring.
Substring.
Caret.
Hmm?
That will give.
How can I fetch the, okay, how do you know this byte is equal to this character? So I want to print that character also here. How can I get that character? Hmm? Okay. Then you are not practicing that. Caret of,
Index.
and then what I need to do to get a next index?
Index plus plus.
So let's see. So each character and that byte I am printing. Then I'll increment the index number. What happened? Okay. See, if you make mistake also, it will catch. See, semicolon is missing in 122 line. It clearly tells. Okay. So let's get start now. Still, what is missing? Bracket. Where bracket? 124.
Index by double quotes, both the system dot print out the end double one more quotation should be there, right, Ramesh?
Yeah, right. Okay. Plus is missing. Joining operator. Joining operator is missing.
Yes.
So this is the one value.
Yeah.
Plus and a string
Mm.
plus this.
Correct. Now it is corrected.
I want to give
/t.
slash n. I will give. Let it
Okay.
go next. Let it go next line. Okay. Slash n. It will go to next line. See, J value 106, A value 97, V value 118, A value 97. Perfect, right? So these are the kind of logics we need to build. You have to think automatically. See, the methods are there in your mind. Then only you can answer this kind of questions. Otherwise, it's difficult. Right? You can try with no normal for loop. Then you don't need this. Okay. Just try it out. I don't know you need or not. I think you need, but try it out. Okay. Yeah. Whether you need or not, you try. Index not necessary, I'm thinking. No need. Index. Okay. Yeah. Now, I think it is ending. Get bytes are over. Next, one more we need to start is you need to get the index number for the given character and string. Okay, so you got my point. Next methods are